Hey, welcome. This is Joe from the Cell Phone Geek. Today I'm going to show you pretty much how you can organize your files. So first off, we're going to go here on your desktop screen. Go ahead and right click on the mouse and you'll get this drop down menu. And you're going to go and hover over new. And then there's the button here that says folder. Go ahead and click on folder. And then here you can change whatever the name of the folder you want it to be. So if you want it to be family pictures, you could type in family. I'm going to hit enter, and then that creates that folder. So that folder has been created, like so. And if you double click on that folder, it'll open it up. And you can see the contents inside is obviously there's nothing in here. But now in here, if you need to make another folder, you just right click again on your mouse, go down to new, and there's a folder button, hit folder, and that'll create your folder right there. Right in the box. And also if you want to create let's see, a text file, same thing, you just right click, go down to new, and instead of clicking on folder you go down to text document, click on that, and it'll bring up here the name of the file, and you can call it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it test, hit enter, it's created. I'm going to hit enter again, and it's going to open the file, which is the notepad, which looks like this notepad here. And then here you can type in your document. Like so. Hi, this is Joe's computer. And then you just to save it, you just hit file, save, and then you close it, and it's been created. And there, just under the file here called text, if you double click on it, it opens up. Hi, this is Joe's computer. Here's the file. It's that easy. Let's see. Also, if you're in Windows 7 here, there's a menu here. Let's see. There's a menu here just above the address bar, or just called the address bar. Right below it, there's a menu here. Organize, include, and library, share with, burn, and new folder. If you click on the new folder, it'll also create a folder here. And you can make a folder that way. If you want to, after you dump your files into the folders, like I have this folder is called family, and I have all my family pictures in here. All I have to do is to make it onto a DVD. Just highlight all the files, and then click the burn button, and then the disk drawer will open on your computer. Drop in a disk. Once you insert the disk, a menu will pop up here and ask you if you want to burn it to a disk. Go ahead and hit burn, and you can burn those files to a disk or CD or DVD, and you will have a backup of your family photos or whatever you have in your folder. That's how you make folders. It's really that simple. And then if you take these, like these are like a family photo or family folder, you can take that whole folder and drop it into pictures or my pictures, and then all of your pictures will be in one place so you can stay organized. Same with music, your documents, and any videos you may have, family videos, you drop any of those in there. So you can do folder again, and you can call it like summer or spring, and then put the year. That's what I do. I put like summer 2012, since we're in the summer of 2012 here. Drop all of the pictures or videos into that folder, and then drag and drop it into the video folder, or it's the pictures folder, depending on if there are pictures or videos. And with documents, you can put in like important documents. You can make a folder called important documents, or just call it important. Drop all those documents into that folder, and then drag and drop it into the documents folder itself, so you can stay organized. It's best to stay organized. That way, when you purchase a new computer, or your computer craps out on you and you have to get your data off of it, well, everything is organized. So all you gotta do to make your backup, to dump it into your new computer, all you gotta do is grab that documents folder, your music folder, your pictures folder, and your videos folder. You just drag and drop that into your new computer, and you'll have all your files like you currently have it, even in your new computer. So you don't have to worry about trying to retype everything up or try to grab stuff that you already currently had. So that's the easiest way to keep yourself organized with creating folders. As you can see on my desktop, I only have the one icon, which I just created, called family. It's best not to have any icons on your screen if you can, because the more icons you have on your screen, your computer will slow down because it's got to keep those in the cache, which I'll explain that another time. But so best is not to have any any icons, pardon me, any icons or very few icons on your screen as possible. This way your computer runs smoother and you stay more organized instead of just dumping everything on your screen. Plus, if you read, there's articles out online you can look up. You can quote me on this, that if your desktop screen is very unorganized or you just have icons all over the screen, then that means that the rest of your life is very unorganized, so you're not an organized person. So if you're an organized person, your desktop screen should be clean of icons. Like me, I'm very organized. So keep those icons off the screen, keep your computer running smooth, create folders, organize all of your pictures and all that sort of stuff. Your pictures and videos and documents. And then if you want to delete a folder, like I have this folder, I don't want it anymore, so I'm just going to right click it. And then if you go down to where it says delete, let me zoom out here a little bit so you can see what I'm talking about. If you take the folder here, right click it, and you go down, there's a button that says delete. You just click the delete, and it'll either pop up and ask you sure you want to delete this, you hit yes, or if you hit no, it'll keep it. Or I have the settings set up so then it just automatically sends it to the trash bin, or the recycle bin, to be deleted, so it automatically went to the recycle bin. So if I go and open the recycle bin, there it is, right inside there. Let's see. Oh, another quick tip on like what I was just talking about. If you don't want it to ask a question every time you want to delete a file, if you just want it to go right to the trash bin and not ask you, are you sure you want to delete this? Because most of the time you hit delete on purpose to delete the file. So the easiest way so you don't see that question anymore is find your recycle bin, which should be on your desktop. Go ahead and right click on it, and then go to properties. Properties will pop up here. And once that pops up here, I'll zoom in a little bit. There's a checkbox here that says display delete confirmation dialog. That box by default is checked. So if you go ahead and uncheck it and hit apply, then it will no longer show the box asking your permission to delete the file, which is not really deleting the file, it's just putting it in the recycle bin. So all you're doing is removing a step to confirm that you want to delete it. And once you hit apply, uncheck it so it's not checked like no. Hit apply, then hit OK. Now if you delete anything, click on it, or if you right click on it and hit the delete word, it will automatically just put it right into the recycle bin. You don't have to have it ask that question anymore. Or if you just click the icon and hit the delete key on your keyboard, it'll also delete it and send it right to the recycle bin. And then if you find out that you really needed that file, you can double click on the recycle bin and you can click on the file and then click restore this item and it'll restore it back to where it was. Pardon me. Otherwise, you can hit empty the recycle bin, which will remove everything out of the recycle bin and you won't be able to recover it very easily, at least. So if you hit that, then the files will be gone and it's hard to recover. You'll have to bring your computer to a computer repair shop and they will be able to recover your files. So I recommend that if you put anything in the recycle bin and before you hit that empty the recycle bin, make sure that you didn't want those files anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and hit empty. I don't want these files. It's going to ask me, are you sure you want to permanently delete this folder? Hit yes. Alright, now the recycle bin is empty. And you notice on the recycle bin itself, there is no more paper sticking out of the top of the recycling bin. So that's how you get rid of that annoying question asking you if you want to delete this file, because you hit the delete key, so obviously you want to delete it. It was really that simple. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and like and post a comment if you'd like. And if you want to see anything else in the future, just drop me a message or either in the comment area or a private message, and I will try to come up with a tutorial on whatever you're asking me to do. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great day.